Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Stay home and save your lives. I'm your computer teacher and today we are going to start our first chapter, that is operating system. And the content of our first chapter is what is computer made up of? Hardware and software. Operating system, single user operating system, and multi-user operating system. First of all, what is computer made up of? A computer is made up of hardware and software. Hardware are the part of computer that you can touch or feel. For example, monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. Software are the programs that give your computer instructions. For example, MS Windows, MS Office, KTurtle, Adobe Flash, and Adobe Photoshop. Now, operating system. An operating system is a program that helps the computer hardware to work with other computer softwares. It helps the user to get an output from the computer. There are 3 steps to how a computer works. Keyboard receives the input, and CPU process information, and monitor produce output. So there are 3 steps: input, processor, and output. Now, the types of operating system. There are 2 types of operating system. Single user operating system. It allows only one user to work on computer at a time. For example, Windows XP, Mac OS, Windows 7, and Windows 8. Multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system allows many people to use the same computer at the same time or at different times. Therefore, this computer attached to many other computers. For example, Windows Server 2012, Unix, and Linux. Multi-user operating systems are used in offices, big organizations like hospitals and railway stations. Now, tricky terms. Hardware. Hardware are the parts of computer that you can touch or feel. Software are the programs that give your computer instructions. Operating system. An operating system is a program that helps the computer hardware to work with other computer softwares. Students, you have to learn these tricky terms. Now, memory bytes. An operating system is a program that helps the computer hardware to work with other computer software. Single-user operating systems are generally used at home. Multitasking operating systems are used in offices and big organizations like banks and railway stations. Okay, students, now solve this worksheet number 1. Okay, now it's your homework time. Keep in your mind that all work should be done in your computer copy. Question number 1 is, how does an operating system help the computer function? Question number 2, what is the difference between hardware and software? Question number 3, what is the difference between single user operating system and multi-user operating system? Okay, that is all for today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.